Get a shake.
Oh,
she did.
She won.
Oh, Caitlin won.
Good job.
How do you feel, Caitlin? You just won the board game.
Happy?
What are you gonna do now?
Beat everybody else the next time.
I'm not sure. Probably play with Christina.
Congratulations.
Oh, thanks.
So are you guys going to finish the game, or are you going to let Caitlin win and stop the game?
Decision time.
Doesn't matter to me.
Yeah.
Next man.
Okay, you need to move your dice, sweetie, so don't get mixed in mine.
Oh,
I got to throw that turn away. Oh, there he goes again.
2-1. One.
Oh, you awful character. You awful character.
Next turn.
Whoa, did you win?
He's next on his next turn. You realize it's possible for you to skin me alive yet, don't you?
Oh, no, 5. Yeah.
Congratulations, you came in second.
Thanks.
How long is this gonna take?
Not long.
I hope not, I'm almost out of memory. I have like a minute left.
I'm going to skin your daddy.
Oh no.
Oh, yes, I'm going to.
Up one other time. 4.
1,
Oh, yeah.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Oh my, that's a dangerous place to sit.
can't run it.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, here?
1, 2,
What do you want to play?
5.
I think I'm not looking like I'm in a lucky place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4. Oh, I'm not in a lucky place, Grant.
6, 7. Oh,
1. 1. Oh, that was perfect to get that one. Ooh, I'm going to sneeze. If I sneeze on you, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I maybe just made a bad decision, Grant.
Oh, no way.